everyone. I perceive three characters in the picture soon. My central character is Amit of age 53 in a positive mood. Amit was a real estate businessman. His daughter's marriage was fixed, so he took a list of all rituals materials required from the Pandit ji and bought it from the nearby market. He divided the work among his brothers. He took the count of the people coming for the marriage from the groom side and booked a hotel and shared the location with them. He also asked what all things his daughter requires. He made it available for her. He bought gifts for his relatives by the help of his wife. He also talked to his daughter and said that he will be always there for her. At last he took a family photo and he was happy with the marriage. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture I have perceived three characters, two female, one male, ages between 28 to 54 years old. The overall mood in the picture is positive. The action of my story is that duty comes first. Rakesh was a 54-year-old army officer who was posted in Kashmir. His daughter was getting married. When the function was starting, he got a urgent call for duty in Kashmir Valley due to some conflict. So he had to go. His daughter and wife got emotional and they started crying. So he first calmed and consoled them and made them understand the importance of the situation. He then promised them that he will be coming back on the day of the wedding. He also made sure and checked all the arrangements, made volunteers. Then he packed his things and went for his duty. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture shown I perceive three characters, one male and two female of age ranging between 25 to 60 and the mood being positive. The action of my story is patriotism comes first. So Anil was a commanding officer in an army unit in Jammu and Kashmir. As it was his daughter's wedding, he took a leave for 1 week and planned and organized all the arrangements for the wedding. One day, on the wedding day, he got a call from one of his subordinates informing him about an urgent operation to be carried out and which requires his presence. So he decided to leave immediately the next day and make his presence in the operation, and that is when his family got emotional and also felt proud at the same time, looking at her father prioritizing the service to the nation first. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. I have perceived three characters in my story. One is male and two are female. Age ranges in between 25 to 55 years of age. Mood of the characters is positive. Action of my story is years of joy. Ram, a 55-year-old government employee, was working in a private limited. He was very loving and caring. One day his daughter came to him and burst into tears. He consoled her and asked her what's the matter. She told that she had cleared the civil service examination and by hearing this, Ram appreciated her. And thereafter they went for a vacation for a family quality time. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture I perceive a total of three characters, including one male and two female, ages ranging from 27 to 57 years. And the overall mood of the story is positive, and the action of the story is the day of the marriage. Sita, a 27-year-old teacher in the local school, was a working professional, and recently her marriage was fixed. Because her father was usually ill, so she made all the preparations, managed the finances, and the marriage went well. But on the last day, as it was so emotional, she was with her father and her mother, and she showed courage and went for the next part of the life.
Jai Hind everyone. I have perceived three characters from my story, two female and one male of age group 25 to 52 years. My main protagonist is Divesh, who is a 52-year-old businessman, and One day he gets offered a marriage proposal for his daughter from a government employee working in ONGC. He thought it is a good relation to be followed, and he talked about it and discussed about it with his family, and they inquired about the family background and about the boy, and then they decided to go for marriage. He organized a 5-day-long events involving different functions and rituals for the marriage. He invited all his friends and family. He also had to help of his friends organizing events and also decorating the place, and all of them enjoyed the events.
Then everyone, from the picture I've perceived 3 characters, 2 females and 1 male, age group being 45 to 55 and the overall mood is positive. Nirmala is a 50-year-old politician in a famous political party. She is a famous advocate for women's rights and empowerment and encouraged quality education for girls in the village. After winning the election and becoming the panchayat of the village, she was extremely emotional and happy and went to hug her husband and celebrated with her colleagues. Later, they went on to working on improving the quality of education and the social life of girls in the village. And they used various government schemes to do so. Under Nirmala's leadership, the village prospered.
Jai Hind everyone, from the picture I perceive 3 characters, 2 females, 1 male. Ages ranges between 28 to 55. Rohan, a 35-year-old male, works in a pharma company. He lives with his wife. One day, his mother comes from the village to meet his son and daughter-in-law. They eat together, laugh together, and spend a good time together. Now a day arrives, his mother is about to leave. So his wife becomes emotional that her mother-in-law is about to leave. Rohan understand her wife that she will come again and cherish the moment and memory we share together. Thank you.
And everyone, from the picture I perceive 3 people, 2 females, 1 male, age ranging between 27 to 55. The action of my story is daughter's marriage. Ramesh is a 55-year-old college professor. For the last 2 months, he has been preparing for his daughter Anya's marriage, like securing contractors, sending out invitations, and ensuring everything goes well. On the day of marriage, he and his wife greet everyone. They follow all rasams of the marriage, etc. And when it is at the end, when it's time for the vidai, there is a flurry of emotions in the family. Ramesh and his wife hug her daughter, give their blessings, and let go of her. And post that, Ramesh and family keep a good touch with his daughter's new family and ensure a healthy home. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, from the given picture I perceive 3 characters, 2 female and 1 male, age varying between 46 to 18. The action of my story is preparing for exams. Reena is a 18-year-old school student who is a single child of her parents. She wanted to be a doctor after completing her 10. She made a schedule suitable for her to manage her studies and rest properly. She excelled in her class 12th results but failed in the NEET exam to get a decent college. She was heartbroken after this, but her parents encouraged her to give a good attempt next time. She made her mind to pass the exam next time and set for preparation. Thank you.
Then everyone, from the picture I perceive 3 characters, all are in the positive mood. The age ranges between 25 to 55. Raghu of age 32 was a government professional teacher and he was teaching in a primary school. He was newly married with his wife. His wife was preparing for civil services examination and she was taking a lot of stress for the upcoming written examination. Raghu along with his mother helped his wife a lot while motivating her. Raghu also take regular classes for his wife and his mother also helped her by doing all the household work. At last, Raghu advised her wife before the examination to focus on the work and not to worry about the result. And her exam and his wife exam went good.
Jai Hind everyone, in the picture I perceive 3 characters, 1 male, 2 female, age ranging between 25 to 55. The overall mood of the story is positive. The action of my story is getting emotional on the marriage. Neha was a girl who was working in a private computer
software company who knew that there was a talk going on about her marriage. Her parents were looking for a good groom for her, and on later on searching for a lot, they found a compatible and understanding person for her daughter's marriage. She also agreed to the marriage and later on performed all the rituals of the marriage. She later on realized that now she will be separated and will be starting a new life along with her husband, which made her emotional, and also the fact that her father has worked harder for this marriage also made her emotional as well, along with her parents too. However, she controlled herself later on and completed the rituals and started a new life along with her husband, also working simultaneously after marriage. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture, I perceive three characters: 2 female, 1 male, aged group from 26 to 48 years old. And overall mood is positive. The action of my story is scene of a wedding, separating from her parents. Asha was a software engineer in Accenture in Indore. She one day came to her parents and gave her wish to marry her boyfriend. Her parents agreed and all of them went to her boyfriend's parents to discuss about the marriage proposal. They also agreed about the proposal and finalized the date. Asha took the responsibilities of making the wedding arrangement. She contacted organizers, searched a place for the wedding and made the necessary arrangements. The wedding was very grand and everyone who was invited liked it. At the Vidai, Asha became very emotional from being separated from her parents, but they comforted her and consoled her. She was very happy with what she did and lived a happy life.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have pursued 3 characters, 2 female and 1 male, from the age group of 25 to 51 years old. Rashmi, a young adult woman whose marriage was going on. After the completion of all the ceremonies, she went for the Vidai and to greet his parents and ask them for blessings. And while taking the blessings from them, she got emotional and went for the hug to his father, and his father landed his shoulder and consoled her to start a new life with his husband. And then Vidai goes on and they live a happy life. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture I have perceived 3 characters, 2 are female and 1 is male. The age is between 28 to 55 years of age and the mood is positive. The action of my story is happily getting married. Riya is a 28-year-old, is a lieutenant in Indian Navy posted at Vizag. She consistently and with her hard work achieved her goal to become an officer in Indian Navy and also promised her parents to get married after achieving her goal. She also found a man who is also officer in Indian Navy. They both informed their parents and asked for the permission. Later on they got married happily, and at the Vidai ceremony they were having happy tears in their eyes, and their parents blessed them and wished them good luck ahead.
Jai Hind, gentlemen, I have perceived 3 characters from this picture. 2 are female, 1 is male. Age ranging between 25 to 55. Overall mood is positive. The action of my story is a scene of marriage ceremony with bride is consoling their parents. Radha, a teacher by profession who recently got married, and it was the time of Vidai ceremony. At the time of Vidai ceremony, their parents got emotional and they started worrying about the future of the daughter, how she is going to manage the household activity. But Radha, being a brave girl, she consoled her parents and convinced them that along with her job, she is going to manage the family and also she will be taking care of the household activities. Radha also consoled the parents to have the meals and food on time. With this, they performed the Vidai ceremony happily. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture I perceived 1 male and 2 female, all in positive mood and of the age bracket 45 to 50 years of age. Action of my story is the soldier's family's sacrifice. Rajesh's son, who has recently left for the National Defence Academy after clearing the NDA exam and TSSP interview, his family felt sad and gloomy, especially his mother, who was deeply connected with her son. Rajesh consoled his wife and also told her to not be sad and be proud and happy about his son's achievement and the security and protection that he will give to his country in the future. Rajesh's wife and the mother of the son felt happy and decided to be proud of her. Thank you.
3 मिनट देखना और फिर एक एक बंदा ग्रुप सॉल्यूशन देगा. स्टार्ट.
I think
Go. Start.
In order to have a healthy relationship between both the families. So first, in order to organize the marriage, then decided the list of the materials required from the pandit.
When the ceremony function started, we got an urgent call for and his wife and daughter got emotional and they were crying, so he consoled them and made them understand the importance. Also, his family and daughter went out of
They were connected on phone calls on every weekend in order to have updates, and they also visited in a month.
For their posting.
I believe there should
Then
be.
he checked up on the arrangements and made some in charges in his absence, and then he packed his things and went for his duty.
Yes, and we can also add how they were connected after the marriage, so that there is a healthy relation between both the families. So they were connected on call on every weekend. They also visited.
They say they had family outings also.
Yes, in every 2 months they can have an outing.
Familiar and another environment also.
And for initial days, one sister with the bride also went with her to the groom side to make her comfortable.
I think we all have Yes, basically we can take as she is already successful and later on she is getting married, and on the day of marriage they were
she got emotional because
she got
excited to her family as well as she also knows that her father has worked hard for this marriage. She also knows that she will be starting a new life from there on, which made her emotional and she cried on the
and later got blessings from her parents and left
lead
her
a happy life
good
together.